why do we need to create such a large database? Because we should follow the way of open science. When we prioritize the development of life science, it is better to share the data between researchers as soon as possible. However, for various reasons, researchers wish to keep their own data as much as possible. So now, when you publish a paper in a peer-reviewed journal, most journals also require you to make sequence data publicly available. Of course, for researchers, release date of the sequence data can be suspended until the paper is published. We call this step hold until published. The significant points of sharing sequence data are: the first is transparency. This means submitters should enable other people to understand actual experiments and analysis in a paper by publishing the sequence data. Also, since many researchers are often funded by taxes, we should remember that research outcomes should be returned as public resources. The third is the accumulation of collective wisdom. For example, when you have a target sequence sample, a well-developed database may help to clarify the characteristics of your sample, such as mutation or the name of region or organism, by conducting a comparative analysis. These are why we actively develop the International Sequence Database. As you may know, the data registered in DDBJ is increasing year by year. In particular, since 2017, when we started accepting whole genome data, the amount of data has dramatically increased. Furthermore, the cost of genome sequencing is reduced year by year. It's decreasing. This means the scale of the database must continue to grow in the future. So we aim to keep storing such large amounts of data. Furthermore, creating an international database will help us to achieve the fair a set of guiding principles to make data findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. A database that achieves these fair principles helps many users to easily collect scientific data that is suitable for solving their own scientific questions. Therefore, the provision of such a database will lead to finding new knowledge that the submitter would not have expected.